Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest. Today I bring you two very cool smartphones from a new brand. It's Koolnee. Koolnee has the Koolnee K1 Trio and the K1. They're kind of like related smartphones, very similar in design and in specs, but also with some very important differences, with a $100 gap between them. So one model is aimed at the kind of people and the other model is aimed at another segment of consumers. I'm gonna start with the K1 Trio right here. Very quick unboxing, just gonna open the box for you. Once you open it, you have a normal envelope box here that comes with a protective case included and a screen protector actually, and the protective case, so that's very useful. Then we have the actual smartphone. Let me see if I can remove it and show you. There you go, awesome design, very like reflective background, blue metal body, gorgeous 6.01 inch full HD display right here. Let me put it down, just show you the rest of the box very quickly. We have here the metal pin for the SIM card slot, and then we have here the box, one with a USB cable, micro USB, and a charging unit. It's all in here, it's all included, so you don't need to worry about that. So for the specs of the Koolnee K1 Trio, it's running Android 7.1, has 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, which can be increased with a micro SD card, a huge battery, 4,200 milliamps, dual camera in the back actually, with 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel and a flash LED light. And then in the front and here at the bottom, because this is a bezel-less smartphone, in the bottom you have the selfie camera at 8 megapixels. Also inside the CPU, it's a MediaTek Octa core clocking in at 2 GHz per core. And that's pretty much it for the Koolnee K1 Trio. It's the flagship from Koolnee. And here on my side we have the Koolnee K1, which is the slightly underpowered cousin of the K1 Trio, but it's still a very good smartphone. I'm gonna open a very quick unboxing, very interesting boxing design here. Let me see if I can remove it. There we go. And just show you the inside of the box very quickly. There you go. The pin here, the metal pin for the slot for the SIM card, and also included, very cool, also included a screen protector and the case, protective case for the smartphone itself. So those are always very good bonus. Also inside here, the USB cable, the charging unit, the charging brick right there. So let me put the box aside and show you the smartphone. Again, very cool design, bezel-less display, 6.01 inch full HD, metal body all around, reflective as well, blue in the back, gorgeous, very, I mean, it's a taste, it depends on your taste, but it really is very distinctive at the very least. Inside, 4 GB of RAM, 64 gigs of storage that can be increased with a micro SD card, 3,190 milliamp battery, Android 7.1. In the back also dual camera right there, 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, fingerprint scanner right here, LED light, and in the front, and this time on top, an 8 megapixel camera as well. The CPU, MediaTek Octa core clocking in at 1.5 GHz. And that's pretty much it for the specs. So the differences are, let's compare, let's put them side by side. They have the similar, well, they have the same actually display, 6.01 inch, as I said, full HD. They have a similar, fairly similar body and design, but not the same. Like you will notice, the K1 has the fingerprint scanner right here in the back, while the K1 Trio has a fingerprint scanner here in the face of the device in the front. There's also some other small details and touches in the design, but they're pretty similar. Again, $100 difference, so the K1 Trio is $100 more expensive than the K1. Still amazing price for both. Differences: RAM, the K1 Trio 6 GB of RAM, here 4 GB of RAM. On this side 128 gigs, here 64 gigs. Also the battery, a bigger battery for the K1 Trio, a smaller one for the K1, but still very good. It's still 3,190, while here we have 4,200. And that's pretty much it. The CPUs as well, the CPU from the K1 Trio, clocking in slightly faster, but that's pretty much it. So check the links below, check the product details, all the specs, everything you need to know. Like and subscribe, and check out Koolnee. It's a new brand. They will have many new smartphones in the future, but these two for now, they look really good and they work very nicely. Go check them out. Thank you.